Hello everyone, this is your biology teacher from your YouTube channel. I hope you are reading well. So, welcome back to your video lectures of your chapter 8, that cell, the unit of life. In last video lecture we were discussing about the cell organelles, that is endoplasmic reticulum. In this series of endomembrane system of organelle, now I am going to talk about the Golgi apparatus, the another cell organelle which comes in endomembrane system. So here you can see a very well labeled diagram of Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus consists of many flat disc-shaped sacs or cisternae. These are stacked parallel to each other. The Golgi cisternae are concentrically arranged near the nucleus with distinct convex cis or the forming phase and concave trans or the maturing phase. Here you can see the cis phase and that is the trans phase. Cis phase, or we can say the convex, you can see easily the shape that is convex, and here the shape is concave. So in the cis phase, that is forming phase, it is coordinated with the endoplasmic reticulum, as we discussing in the last lecture. We were discussing in the last lecture that these organelles are function in a coordinate way, and all the material which are synthesized from the endoplasmic reticulum is passed to the Golgi apparatus, and here is this is the site of dispatching the material. In this diagram you can easily see that these are the incoming transport vesicle, that is lumen part inside it, that are secretory vesicle. These are secrete out after the modification of the transport material. These are cisternae, you can see, and these are newly forming vesicles. If we are going to talk about the function of the Golgi apparatus, the Golgi apparatus principally perform the function of packaging the materials, and the materials could be the proteins and the other product which are synthesized in the cell, or which are synthesized mainly they can be protein or lipids. These are synthesizing in which are synthesizing in the endoplasmic reticulum, that are delivered to the Golgi apparatus for their further modification. So these delivered transport vesicle comes in the Golgi apparatus, and these modified inside it and dispatched out, like here you can see that secretory vesicle in the form of secretory vesicle. These are dispatched out. It can be out of the cell or it could be inside the cell cytosol. So the materials delivered either to the intracellular targets or secreted outside the cell. Materials to be packed in the form of vesicle from the ER fuse with the cis phase of the Golgi apparatus and moves toward the maturing phase. Here this is maturing phase and this is forming phase, as I told you. In the last video we had see that endoplasmic reticulum is the major site of synthesis of proteins and lipids. Here in endoplasmic reticulum, synthesis, modification and transportation occur. So endoplasmic reticulum is the major site of protein synthesis, and Golgi apparatus is connected with not exactly connected, it is functioning in the coordinate way with endoplasmic reticulum for the further modification of the protein that is transported from the endoplasmic reticulum. This explains why the Golgi apparatus remain in the close association with the endoplasmic reticulum, not connected but in the close association. The number of proteins synthesized by ribosomes on the endoplasmic reticulum are modified in the cisternae of the Golgi apparatus before they are released from its transphase. Golgi apparatus is the important site of formation of glycoprotein and glycolipids because the immature form is synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum and the further modification occur in the Golgi apparatus and later it transported in the cell. So here the Golgi apparatus organelle is complete. In the next video we will discuss about the another organelle of a eukaryotic cell. Thank you.